indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2017 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.